and give us your incredible love and support. Today is an exceptionally special day for all of us. It marks the beginning of many firsts. It's our very first collaboration with Nama Films, and we're very grateful to Shari and to Kishore and to Bhumika, who made it possible, who made the two worlds meet. Bhumika heads our distribution but is also producer. This is her first film as producer. This is also our first, as I said, collaboration with Shari and Kishore, and we're ever so grateful. They've been amazing, amazing partners on our journey. Very collaborative and very, very accommodating right through the journey, and we hope for many more ventures in the future. This is the first time that we have been working with Sameer Vidwans, who is such an incredibly talented filmmaker and brings in so much spirit, emotion and joy right through not just the filmmaking and the content but the process in itself. We also collaborating with Karan Sharma, who's the writer here, and empowering writers is what we like to do at Dharma Productions. So we're very excited to work with you, Karan, and many more to come, and more power to you, because writing is the soul of any feature film and motion picture, and we hope you enjoy the journey when you finally go on with it when our film releases on Christmas. Apurva Mehta in the audience has been my partner in crime, and we're all here, but mostly very excited about this incredible lead pair that spell chemistry, that spell joy. It's been such a joy working with both of them. It's wonderful to have a feature film with the man himself that actually got shot and complete and will release. So it actually it's the beginning of a new Dostana, let me say. They have had a success before this. I was talking about a feature film, and now they are coming together on a tongue twister film, pun not intended. Tu Meri Main Tera Tu Meri. All of you who can say this title in one go without breathing or without interrupting yourself, you will win an award to go to Croatia. I'd like to introduce the couple with immense chemistry, sizzle, sparkle, and maybe a future, who knows. Ananya Pandey and Kartik Aryan.
So give it up for them, ladies and gentlemen.
We're going to begin. It's a great coming together, insider, insider, outsider. It's a lovely union. Nepo Papa, Nepo Baby, outsider. It's a great coming together. Please let's celebrate this melange on stage. We truly are eclectic in that way. Ananya, your very first thoughts. It's such an important film for you. What are you thinking right now?
Let me take a bit of a thought after the amount you have said, and I'd just like to leave it at the fact that I'm very excited, and the trailer is a lot of fun, and I just want people to watch it and enjoy.
Okay, Kartik.
क्वेश्चन क्या था? मैं आउटसाइडर नेपोटिज्म में घूम गया।
वो मैं खो गया वो आउटसाइडर नेपोटिज्म में। आप कहाँ खोए हैं? आप तो बहुत you are coming to after Bhool Bhulaiya's massive success with a love story with the team that you have celebrated a success with. Today marks an important day for all of us. We're very excited to share our trailer. What are your thoughts?
My thoughts are the same that हम दोनों ने actually complete कर ली film और finally release हो रही है, and we really discussed this out कि हाँ ये वाली तो अब नहीं जाएगी, इसका नाम भी दोस्ताना 2 रख सकते थे अगर ये लंबा टाइटल लग रहा है तो. But my thoughts are that I'm really happy to be back in this genre, and मैं after like चंदू चैंपियन या फिर भूल भुलैया 3 और ये सारी फिल्में जिस तरीके की फिल्में मैं कर रहा था उससे अलग थी वो films. And now I'm back in this genre after a while, and I'm really looking forward to everybody's reaction कि हाँ ये क्योंकि ये genre बड़ा ही difficult genre भी है क्रैक करना, और बहुत इसमें immense pressure आता है जब भी ऐसी फिल्म लेकर आते हैं. I hope you guys like it, you guys love it, and I hope कि आप लोग थिएटर्स में जाके इसको देखें.
Thank you. Merry Christmas to all, and we will now unveil our trailer of Tu Meri Main Tera Tu Meri.
Decades of experience and creative genius, of course, Kishore Arora Saab, of course, Nama Pictures से, and the director Saab, Sameer Vidwans, ladies and gentlemen. इस टीम के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. I know you have a lot of questions. Thank you.
We're going to stand.
थोड़ा स्टैंडिंग आवर्स बढ़ेंगे।
बिल्कुल,
खुद को स्टैंडिंग ओवेशन।
कार्तिक जब तक सर्स ऑन फायर, हाँ मजा आ रहा है यहाँ पे। कार्तिक एक छोटा सा सवाल आपके लिए कि ऐसे ऐसे इंडियन सिनेमा का पोस्टर बॉय ऑफ रोमांस बोला जा रहा है आपको, दे सेइंग कि होलसम एंटरटेनमेंट के साथ और वो रोमांस जैसा आप करते हो कोई नहीं करता, तो ये सब करने के बाद एक्सपीरियंसिंग ऑल ऑफ दिस लव फॉर यू, व्हाट इज इट?
ऐसा नहीं है, बहुत लोग करते हैं और बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से रोमांस करते हैं। मैं अपनी एक अलग तरीके की मेरी एक पर्सनालिटी है जो मिक्स होती है कई बार कैरेक्टर्स से। जिस तरीके से ये कैरेक्टर्स लिखे जाते हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर मैं रे की बात करूं तो मैं बहुत लकी हूं कि ऐसा कैरेक्टर था। जिस तरीके से समीर सर ने डिस्क्राइब किया चीज़ें, मुझे ये करवाई मेरे से सेट पे, मेरा पूरा ये जो क्रेडिट है ये मेरे डायरेक्टर्स उनके हाथ होता है, नॉट ऑन मी। एंड रोमांस सब कर रहे हैं। आई जस्ट होप कि मेरा वाला भी रोमांस चले।
बिल्कुल चलेगा। और जिस तरह से आप लाइंस पंचेस यहाँ दे रहे थे, भावना को बहुत हंसी आ रही थी, मतलब ये अलग ही यहाँ पे ट्रिप कर रहे थे ये लोग। अनन्या, दिस वंस फॉर यू, बी ऑनेस्ट, कैरेक्टर लाइक दिस दैट यू प्लेइंग हियर, हार्ट लेड है या हेड लेड है? बिकॉज
नहीं, ये वाला
little bit of both. She's a modern girl, but she's very rooted at the end of the day. And as Karthik said, I'm very grateful कि समीर सर ने जो फैमिली का पॉइंट है जो हम बहुत बात नहीं कर सकते पर आपको झलक दिखी ट्रेलर में, ही रियली हेल्प मी थ्रू दैट एंड टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट फीलिंग ऑफ व्हाट अ गर्ल फील्स। और वो जो जैकी सर के साथ रिलेशनशिप था, एंड ऑफ कोर्स कार्तिका नीना मैम के साथ दैट वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग फैमिली रिलेशनशिप इज देयर। तो शी इज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ बोथ। वो बहुत once she makes up her mind, she kind of sticks to the mind that she makes up. So yeah, she's a little bit of both.
Amazing. I've made up my mind कि now it's time for you all to ask your questions. I know बड़े सारे सवाल हैं. Where are we taking the first question from?
Hello, here. Shilpa here from Mayapuri magazine. Purva ji, मेरा सवाल आपसे है. What excited Dharma Production the most about backing this film?
So as a company headed by Karan, he's always advocated for making films across various genres, but somehow people love us most for our rom-coms, and it's something that's very special to us also. So like Karan mentioned earlier, very thankful to Bhumika, who heads our acquisition and distribution, for getting Nama Pictures, Shireen, Kishore, Sandeep.